What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Danielle Denese back again with another video. In today's video, are y'all feeling this ponytail? Do y'all want to know how I did it? How I created it? So, if you're interested in how I achieved this ponytail, sit back, relax, and as always, we're going to get right into it. Okay? We're going to get into it.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Alright, y'all. So, I want to thank y'all so much for coming and kicking with me yet again. Returning beauties, new beauties. Hey girl, how you doing? And if you ain't a beauty yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button on this video. Join the gang, join the team, become part of the crew, all that good stuff. You gonna love it over here, I promise. All right, like I said, we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna show you how I achieved this ponytail, so let's get to going. So we're just gonna jump right into it. At first, I did want to do like a voiceover style, but then I said, you know what? Let me try something new. Y'all let me know if y'all prefer voiceover style or if you like with me talking through. Took out my braids. The lemonade braids had to go. Took out the braids. I washed, conditioned my hair, and I just finished blow drying and flat ironing it. This is what we have. Got best. The roots are still a little, you know, but it is what it is. So I just want to put it in a ponytail. The first thing I'm gonna do is figure out how high I do want it, and I'm not trying to put a whole lot of product. I know some people, especially professionals, they be putting like product all throughout the hair to get it as sleek as possible, but I don't want that much product in my hair. I don't want too much gunk in my hair. Comb it up. I think I want to do a high ponytail. I just picked up this Yaki style ponytail from Amazon. I'll link it down below. I chose Yaki because I don't have a perm and I didn't know how nice of a flat iron job I was gonna do. So, you know, you never can go wrong with a little Yaki. Getting a straight one, I felt like it would require a lot more work, and, you know, like I said, I don't have a perm. Yeah, so we just got this little Yaki thing going on. It's giving Nicki Minaj vibes. If you know, you know. If you were a barb, you know. So, like I said, let's get back into positioning this hair. What I'm gonna do is put my hair in a ponytail first, because I want a high ponytail. So, like I said, we're just gonna put it here. This is not gonna be the final product of how we're gonna do it, but we just gonna put it here and get some product in there. Get some product going. I'm gonna go in with some Murray's beeswax. This is just the clear one. We're just gonna put some here, put a little in there, and I know I want some edges too, so let me leave some of them out. I think that's enough right there. Push down there. All right, that should be enough. Go back in with this beeswax. I don't want it to be so sleek. The good thing about the ponytail I bought, like I said, it has a Yaki texture, and I kind of want this to be a little effortless looking. If I'm looking up, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. So actually, I'm gonna just speed this part up. Like you see I'm doing, I'm just putting some beeswax in, brushing it up, getting it to how I want to get it to fake like molded. Once I'm done with that, I'll come back. So I pretty much have it all up. I'm just gonna go in one more time. I took the ponytail, folds it out. Make sure I get it in there. We're just gonna secure it. One in the ponytail just popped. Look at it. So what I'm gonna have to do is go back in with another one, and I'm gonna leave it. I'm not pulling that crap out. I'm not gonna dare do that. We ain't gonna dare do that. Let's go back in with another one. All right. So this is what we have. This is what we have. First, I'm gonna take some of my wax stick, and then I'm gonna go in with my face spray. Just the carrot hair. Use the back end of the comb for the front, and a little bit of the main part. Just brush that product in. And now I'm gonna just take my blow dryer and my spray, and we're gonna spray a little. Alright, y'all, I sprayed. I'm just doing the back now. Alright, that's pretty much it. What I'm gonna do is braid this in a little braid, and then just wrap it around in like a little bun. Just gonna secure it with a couple of rubber bands. Alright, it's alright. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my edges first, and then I'm gonna put the ponytail on. Alright, so is what we have, guys. I'm just gonna put some more of this on it, and then I'm gonna put an edge thing on it. Edge thing. So I'm gonna put on for now while we work on the ponytail part. Now the ponytail is pretty simple. Like I said, it's a wavy ponytail. I thought I was getting one that had the little pocket, but it just has like a fake pocket. It's not really a pocket. Then it has a clip up here that you can put it in, and then it has this where you can wrap it around. I'm just gonna go like this for now because I don't want that getting stuck in my hair. I'm gonna put this on the front, comb that there. Now I'm gonna undo this, and then we're gonna begin wrapping it around. Being careful because I don't want that Velcro to get on my hair. I'm literally just gonna wrap it around, okay? And then we're gonna use the remainder, and we're just gonna wrap it tightly because we want this secured. And this ponytail did come with bobby pins as well. It came with these type of hair pins. I'll just use this to secure this last piece. Yeah. Put the ponytail over. And this is a 26-inch, I believe. They had a 30, but I said, Danielle, that's doing way too much. I'm only 5'2". So a little nice, easy, quick, to the point type of hairstyle. Let's go back in with the blow dryer one more time. Alright. Let's see what it's giving. Alright, I think we did pretty good, y'all. What do y'all think? I'm gonna show y'all the back. It. Just wanna fix this top part right here. Alright, I like it a lot. I think we did the damn thing. You can't even tell that it's like a ponytail. Like it looks like I use bundle hair. It's pretty good. I'm kind of impressed. So I want to thank y'all so much for coming and kicking with me yet again. If you didn't hit that like button and you didn't subscribe, what are you waiting for? Do it right now. Because like I said previously, it's a vibe over here and you're gonna love it over here. I promise, okay? And as always, see y'all in my next video. Mwah.
Such thing as a life that's better than your love. Your such thing as a life that's better than your love. No such thing, no such thing.